Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 16 to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then download the same app called Send Anywhere on both devices, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set it up in both apps. Firstly, click on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, allow in 2 pop-ups, and then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on iPhone, select allow full access in Photos pop-up, and then wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of iPhone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on iPhone, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to selected. Tap on Close and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and select Receive. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then just point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!